Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I am going to unbox my Pipsticks Classic Pro subscription for, I want to say this is March, I think. And, yep, March 2024. Each of the sticker sheets have the dates, and of course it's in the little sign they send every month. And I love this, and lately they have been adding really cool things to the PP sign, and there are things that you can add to your project life. And then you have like a top movies to watch this month. They always add what is inside your pack. They have the Petite, and then they have the Classic Pro that are all of these. This with the tax is $20 basically. It's a really good deal. And right now they have like bundles. If you never bought Pipsticks subscription, they have bundles that have 6 of these for $100, and they have, I think, one that is $50, but it has the petite packs. So if you're interested, they always add a note from Mo, and apparently the theme is cinema and Hollywood and stuff like that. And here they teach you, okay, scan the QR code and print out the game cards. Have each person choose a small object like a penny or eraser to use as a game piece. Yeah, apparently it's a game. That's pretty cool. Because then you have like a little piece that you can do here and play. This is pretty cool. If you go to Hollywood, like to tourists or whatever, and you can use some of this to journal. Oh, this looks like a regular magazine. And then inside here they have spoilers, but I never look at them. You can add your naming here. What's your red carpet look? And then you have this, and they always have something that you can scan. And it has a freebie. Sometimes it's a printable. Sometimes is, yeah, it usually is a printable. So this time is, oh, this is really cute. Let me again put it up all the way. You have somewhere to write a letter, and you have a little envelope. I wish they did this in PNGs because then you can make them smaller, but that works too. So that is the little sign. And I didn't look at the spoilers too much. I knew that I like it enough to not skip it, so we'll see what's in here. Okay, the first one we get. So this is the postcard. They always add a postcard. It's kind of like a, looks like a Barbie Jeep, but it just says California and sunshine. And then we have these vacation themed stickers that a bunch of them say California, but you can use a bunch of these for pretty much documenting anything you want. And this is a limited edition. It's really cute. I like it. And it's called Western Wildflowers, and this one is Golden State Getaways. Oh, these are cute. It's a taco truck. The name of the sheet is Tantalizing Taco Truck. And I like the colas. I wish they had a few more of the colas. Now I'm hungry. And you have nachos, tacos, empanadas, and the little taco truck. This is so funny. Bark and Ride. And you have a bunch of puppies. Car windows. This is so cute. This is, lately they've been adding like borders, which is a pretty cool idea if you do a lot of bullet journaling and you do your own calendar or your agenda pages, and you can use these and write the day on top. And I like the flowers. I also like the little elements that are separated. I don't care really much for the stark, rectangles. They're cute, but I love the flowers. Oh, and this is my sticker for the month. This is so cute. Talk about tasty vinyl. I don't know what were the other options. Didn't look at them. Now I remember the alphas, but let's go with the Fiery Fiesta, and this is limited edition. And I do love the minis, but I don't know about this. This is a lot of tacos and avocados and hot sauce and the chilies. That's okay. And then we have the alphas. They don't have numbers, but they're a limited edition and they're called the Beachcomber Alphabet. Pretty cute. I like that they're gold. They're kind of 70s. And then we have the Poodle Pizzazz. This is so cute. And it's kind of Valentine's Day almost a little bit with the puppy legs. Ooh, these I like. Paradise Postage, and it's just stamps. I think this is the main reason I got this kit. There's a few of them, like the California ones. I wish it was like these two were a little bit cuter, but still cute. Still a good sheet. And then we have the Real Hollywood, real with 2 E's, and it's one whole sticker sheet. Can you cut the little squares in the middle? I think you can. Yeah. Yeah, you can. Now I'm like, wait, can you? Yeah, just really stuck in there. It's pretty cool. These cars are very cute. Rosy roadsters. I'm sorry, but the light has been changing and it's been like that all of these days. I do love the little sprinkles with the stars. That is always fun to add. And we got these movie making magic. And this is one of the sheets that I kind of was looking forward to. You can use it to document movies, and I love the little stars on the back and the bobby pins. That is so cute. And I think that this one is going to be my favorite. I'm a little underwhelmed by how heavy on California it is. I wish they had a little more of, generic movie going experience. This one is called Cinematic Sensations, and you have the icy and the popcorn and the cinema. This one is so cute. I would have loved a big one of this, or maybe a border that had a bunch of this tickets, or maybe this one they could have made bigger tickets. And then the last one is this one that says Red Carpet Royalty, and then we have a star, an Oscar, some jewelry, limousine. I don't care much for this kit. I don't even need a top 3 because I know that my favorite is this one. And that's how you know that the kit was made, at least for me. Maybe you enjoyed it. Let me see if I can put things more that you can see it, but I'm underwhelmed. It was cute, but nothing that you need to have. And it's kind of a bummer. The last two were so good. And the postcard, I guess, is cute, especially if you're going for a Barbie theme. Yeah, it's cute, but not impressed in this one. So I also like the vinyl. Vinyl was really cute. So let me know what you thought about this month, if you feel the same as me, if you're a little underwhelmed, or if you're excited because you go to California every week or you live there. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!